In this video, I will show you how SkyDRM enables users to work with any native application to access protected content. Let's begin by accessing the protected file workstation pcb.cnc.nxl on a network file share folder. On this machine, I log in as John Smith. SkyDRM Desktop is not installed. That is why you do not see the SkyDRM menu item here. When I try to open the file, Windows will ask the user to choose an application to open the protected NXL file. Let me choose Acrobat Reader. As you can see, the user is not authorized to open the NXL file. On another machine, I log in as another user. SkyDRM Desktop is installed on this Windows machine, so when I right-click on the NXL file, you can see the SkyDRM menu appears. Let me select SkyDRM, View File Info. The user has view and edit permissions with the watermarking condition. Since CNC Simulator Pro is already configured as a trusted application on this Windows machine, I can double-click on the workstation pcb.cnc.nxl file and open it with the CNC Simulator Pro. You can see the watermark is shown. I can edit the program CNC file and save it back to the protected NXL file. And when I reopen the file, you can see the adjustments were saved. However, I do not have permissions to screen capture on this file. When I try to use the snipping tool to capture the screen, I see the screen has turned black. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.